Good morning, Pontiac parents, and welcome back to Music Monday. I hope you've had a great week. Raise your hand if you practiced the spoons, or tried to practice the spoons, tried to play the spoons. Well, somebody at Pontiac did, and they sent in a video. Let's see who it is. Yay, Coach Fink. I'm so proud of Coach Fink. She has been practicing. My friends, she's been practicing all week. I've been getting little phone calls and video calls so I could keep up with her progress. So great, Coach Fink. That was awesome. So for today's activity, all you're going to need is a cereal box, a piece of aluminum foil that you'll just place over the cereal box, a spatula, 2 of them if you have them. I don't cook, I don't have to, or at least I couldn't find 2. So I've just tried to find other things I can use that could make a sound with. So our snare drum, I love it, listen. Doesn't that sound like a snare drum? And if you want to get even more creative, you can gather some jars or some plates. I would use a plastic plate, but I don't have any plastic plates, so just pretend that's plastic. You could get cans, tin cans, anything, and kind of make yourself a drum set. And you can use these as hi-hats, and this is your snare. Try to experiment with some different sounds. You can do a lot with this. Be creative. Put on your favorite song and start drumming. We had several students send in videos of them playing their instruments from home. So let's take a look.
A world that's waiting up for me that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They could say it all sounds crazy. They could say I lost my mind. I don't care, so call us crazy. We can live in a world that we design, 'cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
job. Keep those videos coming. Don't forget, if you haven't already, join my Google Classroom. That's any student K through 5 who wants to have extra music resources to look at or want to chat or, leave me a message. I'm also going to be uploading some music books that I'll be reading for my little kids. So I hope you will join me there. You can also, of course, email me, lrainer@richland2.org, and I look forward to hearing from you. All right, that's it for this episode of Music Monday. Have a great week. Keep making music, and I'll see you soon.